Let's start the video with 4 free airdrops that you can go and earn, and then we'll go into the juicy information so that everybody can do the first task. So we jump straight onto the laptop. The first airdrop is the So value over here. This is a very easy to earn the airdrop. You sign in through the link down below. There will be an order. And to receive the airdrop, which we do have here, we got the points, we got a point system, the XP, you need to reach B1. And how to do it? Well, you go daily check-in, you get a sign-up bonus when you sign with my referral link down below. You have this daily news, you got 30,000 or 300,000 points when you sign up with the link down below. You then have to watch a YouTube video, share, like, Twitter, comments, and then you have a few starter pack tasks. As we see over here, 75,000 points for Google. By doing all of this, you will get B1. And as you see here, for example, 45 of these people will receive the airdrop, and it is very important. Then, what is this platform? It is a super easy platform and actually a nice platform to use to check the crypto market. It's like CoinMarketCap if you utilize it, just a lot bigger. For example, we got all the statistics, the FTV, 1 month return, 1 year return, we got all of the different ones. You can see it also over here with the distribution, the upside. Ethereum, you got it over here as well. We got layer 1, stable coins, you got all the graphs, indicates, you got the news feed as well. If you want to read some news in the crypto world, this is all for the crypto world. They have an XP point, they will have an airdrop as a XP point is for that, and they have already announced it, and it is in the list of things to do. So simply go and sign up. On the top right here, go to the XP point, start getting your XP. This is the points that I earned today, 1,000,000 points more or less. Super easy to do and super free. Following up, we have Liquidify. Now, what is this? It's a testnet, and the airdrop is coming in Q2 2025. So you still got time to go and do it, and it just came out. I started yesterday on video with you, and as we see over here, I am already ranked 73, and I was ranked 15,000 yesterday. So it is very much an untapped airdrop as of right now. So make sure to go and participate, and all you gotta do, through the links down below, you will land to this page over here. You will land to the borrow page. You will have some tokens in your wallet, which is absolutely easy to go and do. And once you got the token, you simply come over here, you borrow the token, you will have Bitcoin. Now it's not loading for some reason. Let me go and try to go and get it here. I got all of this one as well. You can find more free airdrops and more airdrop on my Patreon channel. The link will be down below. I get dedicated guides for you, and I talk one-on-one with you as well directly. And as we see over here, this is the leaderboard, rank 73, and I started yesterday. So you got so much time. You come in, you go to the borrow, you go to the liquidities, you borrow your token, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. You borrow, you have a bottom over here on the right. You will go over to the borrow, you simply borrow, then you go to the provide liquidity. You provide the liquidity, which is absolutely easy to go and do, as we see it over here. Providing liquidity simply means to lock the token. So once you go and borrow the token, come over here. We got the borrow. Here we got it. So you will have tokens, and you will have it over here. You will have Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin as soon as you sign up. Click on borrow and switch those tokens for the USDT. Once you get the USDT, you go to provide liquidity. You lock your USDT, which I've done over here, 95,000. And that is easy to do. Testnet, lock your token, and simply go like this. Simple as that. Keep on going, keep on developing as such. Following up, we have the unique airdrop over here. This is a super easy to earn airdrop, and it is a tap to earn. So every day, every 24 hours, you will have this reset. Come over here, click on tap, and this is the airdrop. You also have extra quests over here to follow them on Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and more. So absolutely easy to go and do. Get your points, scale to the rank of the leaderboard. There's still time, as again here I started yesterday, so you still got so much time to go and participate, and that is literally it. The link will be down below, and all you gotta do is tap every 24 hours. All of this, as you see, is something that you need to do on a daily basis. Like, these are the tests that you have to show up on a daily basis. I do talk about it over on my Discord for all of this, as well as my Telegram, and for the Patreon members, I do send you private text message to simply keep on doing and keep on reminding that you will have to do this on a daily basis, as well as PLAZ Airdrop. As we see over here, for example, with PLAZ, I am working hard. I'm nearly 600 points. I am ranked 4,000. And what is PLAZ Airdrop? Well, if you've never participated in the PLAZ Airdrop, it's an absolutely easy to go and earn airdrop. All you gotta do is through the link down below, you will present yourself to the dashboard where you gotta go and get your test tokens. Once you get your test token on a daily basis, go to earn and leverage. And on earn, simply buy and sell your token. And that is it. You will get points and sell your token. Do it again and then go to leverage, and the same thing, buy and sell, all on a testnet on base ecosystem. It is, again, one of those things that this is a daily thing to go and do. I'm ranked 4,217, but it's really, really hard to scale in a way that once you get to a certain point, people really remember to do them on a daily basis. So you also have to remember, but we have started it, I believe, 2 weeks ago, so you're still in time to participate. It's still a testnet, and you still have plenty of time to go and participate in this airdrop. Following up, we have the first airdrop checker, which is coming soon, and it is from Sono. The airdrop has been delayed, and it is not has been denied. If you play Crystal Dash, which is this platform over here, then what do you have to do? Well, simply go to the page down below. As you see here, you can choose a SOMO, for example, against the fire one, which looks kind of cool. We click on confirm and you do all the transaction, final step, tweet and link. You do this. But if you have already participated, it is a Crystal Dash Pay by SOMO last year. Kindly reconfirming and connect your wallet. So simply go through the link down below and see it over here. Complete, add everything, do what you have to do. If you have the possibility to go and participate, then amazing. We see it over here. For example, this is their tweet. Crystal Dash players, submit your wallets, only applicable to SOMO Legend Crystal Dash players. You can submit here, which of course it is the link down below that I will provide you, and go and check if you are airdrop eligible. Following up, we also have a ZORA and the OP airdrop, which is quite important. You remember that we had the possibility to go and receive this OP airdrop over on ZORA, and a lot of you, I remember in the comments, a lot of the community was like, oh, why am I dexing? Why am I this? Why am I that? And people were a little bit hating on it. Well, now ZORA, as we see over here, there is no need for the, as we see over here, tweeted by an official page, say goodbye to the KYC as a ZORA participant, grab your OP airdrop, your OP airdrop now. You have time till March to go and grab it. I already claimed mine. I don't mind. I did the doxing. I have many platforms. I'm doxed on Binance. I'm here on YouTube, talking about it. So now, if you want to claim your ZORA airdrop, your ZORA X OP airdrop, you can simply go and do it, verify, follow up with the claim, and those OP tokens are all yours. So you do not need to verify in terms of doxing anymore. You used to do, now not. So the link will be down below. Make sure to go and claim it if you are eligible for it, and you simply didn't want to go and dox. Next up, we have the Kern airdrop over on Solana. Will distribute 45.5% of the Kern supply directly to eligible wallets. The token generation event and the timing will be determined soon. 17.5% to request users from the Jupiter Exchange, Sava Finance, Drift Protocol, and Jito Sol. We participate in Drift, we participate in Jupiter. Then we have the Kern airdrop reward consistency over volume. 14% of the top holders of Solana 7 meme coins, which we are not part of it. 13.5% of Solana NFT project as well. So very nice to see 45% to the community. Genesis airdrop 45%, future incentivized. So another airdrop 22.5% in the future. We got a pre-sale of 13.5%, current protocol 10%, and the liquidity provider at 6%. So very, very nice. Make sure to go and check it. Make sure to go and participate in it. If you are an active user, you will have it very, very soon. Following up, we also have the Allora airdrop, which it is scheduled to come very soon. Just announced the launch of the Allora Foundation page, which it is this one right here. We can go and check them. We can go and follow them. And usually this means that the airdrop is coming soon. So the Allora airdrop will come soon, and you are well positioned or not. Personally, have I participated in this? No, I have not participated in it, but we've used the testnet. People have used the testnet and farmed points earlier through the Allora X Pancake points program. So it was a simple testnet, which in this case we did meet. Point farming is over, but you can check your point allocation to the link down below. You have points, you have all of the things that you can go and check. So make sure to go and connect your wallet if you have participated in it. For example, we can go and see whether or not I am eligible for it, but I do hardly believe it that I'm eligible because I never participate in such airdrop. Simply connect your Kepler wallet as we're doing over here. Click over, put your password, connect your wallet, approve, and you are good to go. So here I got 0 points. So yeah, I'm not eligible for it, but if you are, let me know in the comments below. And also we do have the airdrop checker, which is for the OWL stake. Now this one, it is not a claiming yet. You can go and check your airdrop if you are a Dimension token staker. You can paste your address over here. Link will be down below. Paste your address. Let me know your token allocation. Let me know your total token allocation. And as of right now, do not claim anything. Do not follow any Twitter post, any scam post. There is nothing to claim. It is only an airdrop checker. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope you did enjoy it, and I will see you all in tomorrow's one. Ciao, guys.